Today I'm going to show you some ways of using things from around your house as stencils. Your recycling is great. You can make circles from the bottoms of containers. Leaves from your garden are great. Even bread tags can be used as a repetitive stencil. You can add detail and then repeat to make a pattern. And if there is something that you want to draw yourself, you can put it onto recycled card, cut it out and use it as a stencil. For your design, you can think about different colours. Most flags only have 3 or 4 colours, so think about the colours and what they might represent. You might want to try a different one. Try a few different colour palettes and see which one you like best. There are many things around your house that you can use as stencils. Paper clips, keys. What about your recycling? There are plenty of things in there that you could use. Bottle lids, bases of containers. So now it's thinking about colouring your flag, so using those colour palettes that you chose before. What's your favourite colour? My favourite colour is red. That's why I put it on my flag. I'm choosing a leaf for my flag design because I think the environment's important, and the leaf to me is a symbol of the environment. What about you? What kind of symbols are important to you for your flag? I've used stars on my flag. The Eureka Flag has stars too. Do you know what those stars represent? What about the Australian flag? That also uses stars. What symbols can you think of? Have you looked at other flags and the symbols that they have on them? I really like circles. Circles mean to me people coming together, unity. The Eureka flag has the colour blue. It's the same sort of blue that I've used here. I wonder why they used it. So you could take your flag and you could put it onto a stick, a skewer, and you could wave it around. You could also send it to someone. Perhaps if you made a flag for your family, a family flag, you could send it out to some of your relatives or your friends. You can use your old bit of recycling card and stick it on to make it into a postcard. I'm going to send my postcard into the Eureka Centre.